Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashraf al-anbiya al-mursaleen. Muhammadin wa ahli bayt al-tayyibin al-tahirin al-ma'asumin. Wal-la'natu ala a'daihim min al-an ila yawm al-din. Amma ba'd, faqad qala Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fi kitabih al-majid wal-furqan al-hamid. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sadaqallahu al-aliyyul azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, I hope everyone is well. Apologies for Alaikum salam. Apologies for the delay. I was slightly busy with something else came up. Can everyone hear me loud and clearly?
Yes, we can hear you.
Right. So, which lesson have we reached?
58 page.
Ahsanti. Right, okay. Page number 58.
Yeah,
right. Now, in this lesson itself, we're learning about mudhaf and mudhaf ilay. I'll give you an example. Ismut tajiri, mahmudun, wa ismut tabibi. So, mudhaf and mudhaf ilay, it's when the first noun is owned, possessed by the second person. So the name of the merchant, name of the doctor. So this is mudhaf, mudhaf ilay. And on this page itself, we are asking questions. So at the bottom of the page, it says Hada kitabun. This is a book. And when you add alif lam after hada, it comes in the meaning of hada al-kitabu, this book. So at the moment, hada kitabun means this is a book. And when there's alif lam, hada al-kitabu means this book. Hada al-kitabu li Muhammadin. This book is for Muhammad. And hada tabibu, this is a doctor. And then you will say hada tabibu min al-hin. And then hadihi sayyaratun, this is a car. And then when we add alif lam, hadihi sayyaratu lil mudiri. So I will just remind you of that point, which is going to be over here. So I'm going to ask Sister Razia iPhone. Sister Razia iPhone, can you come on the mic?
Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
To remember.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam.
So I
Go
should
ahead.
start the exercise Liman Hadal Kitab
No, read points to remember.
on page 58,
Page 60.
page 60. Okay,
Yeah.
points to remember. In this lesson, we learn number one, how to say this book in Arabic. We have seen that Hada Kitabun means this is a book. Now we learn that Hadal Kitabu means this book. This is not a sentence. To make it a sentence, we must add a predicate. Example, this book is new. Hadal Kitabu Jadidun. All demonstrative pronouns can be used to make this construction. Example, that man is an engineer. Dalikal rajulu muhandis. This watch is beautiful. Hadihi sa'atu jamila. That nurse is from Japan. Tilkal mumarridatu minal Yaban. Number two, we have seen that the normal ending of a noun is u, and it changes to e after prepositions. And when the noun is a possessor, for example, the house is beautiful, al-baytu jamilun. Bilal is in the house, Bilalun fil bayti. This is the key of the house, hadal miftahul bayti. Nouns ending in long a have no endings. They remain unchanged. For example, this is America. هذه أمريكا. I am from America. أنا من أمريكا. He is the president of America. هو رئيس أمريكا. Number 3, khalfa, behind, and amama, in front of. The noun after these have I ending. For example, the house is behind the mosque. Al-baytu khalfa al-masjidi. Hamid is in front of the teacher. Hamidun amam al-mudarrisi. Hamid is in front of the teacher. Hamidun amam al-mudarrisi. Number 4, jalasa means he sat. Aina jalasa Muhammad? Where did Muhammad sit? Jalasa amam al-mudarrisi. He sat in front of the teacher.
Excellent. Okay, brilliant. Thank you. Now I'm going to start and finish it off. Can I request Sister Almas? Can you come on the mic, Sister Almas?
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam. So can you just change from 3 to 9? At the moment, dhalika waladun. I want you to say dhalika waladun. I mean, that is a boy. That is a boy. I want you to say that boy is son of the teacher. So you need to add the alif lam with the word which comes after dhalika itself. So, and then translate it.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zalikal waladu ibnul mudarrisi. Tilka sa'atu min Suisara. Zalikal waladu ibnul mudarrisi. That boy is the engineer's son. Tilka sa'atu min Suisara. That watch is from Switzerland. Hazal qalamu li Abbasin. The pen is for Abbas. Zalika rajulu muazzanun. That man is muazzin. Hazihi libayzatu kabiratun. That egg is big. This egg is big. Hazal mindilu wasikhun. This handkerchief is clean.
Dirty.
Sorry, dirty. Wasikhun is dirty. Nazif is clean, right?
Yep.
هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. That حقيبة is bag.
Yep.
That is the teacher's bag.
Excellent. Now the next exercise, I'm going to ask Alina Fatima. Alaikum salam. And now the next exercise, Alina, is that the word liman hadha al-kitabu. For whom is this book? Hadha al-kitabu li Muhammadin. So here you've got the names, but you need to ask a question about these objects itself. So the next question you need to ask, for whom is this key? How would you say that?
Liman hadha.
What's the word for key?
Miftah.
Yeah, liman hadhal, add alif lam in front of al-miftah. Liman hadhal
Miftah.
Liman hadhal miftahu, correct. Then you will say hadhal miftahu li.
Abbas. Okay, li Abbasin.
Correct. Number 2.
Liman has a sayyaratu.
No, sayyaratu is feminine. So would we use hadha or hadihi?
Hazihi.
Correct.
Liman hazihi sayyaratu. Hazihi sayyaratu li aliyin.
Translation?
For whom is this car?
Mm-hmm.
This car is this is Ali's car.
Excellent. This car. No, not this is this car.
Okay.
This car belongs to Ali.
Okay.
Excellent. Ali, let me go do next. Do one more, and then I'll bring someone else on the mic. The next one is cow.
Liman has al-Bakara.
Is bakara masculine or feminine?
feminine.
Yep. So it should be liman,
liman هذه البقرة
correct?
هذه البقرة للمدير.
Lil mudiri. Excellent. Thank you ever so much. Sister Anam. Sister Anam, can you come on the mic?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum assalam. Can you do 4, 5, 6, and 7?
Sure, I will try, but you will have to help me with the words. Liman hazal al-kif.
No. So the word al-hakibatu.
Al-hakibatu.
Yeah.
Liman hazihi al-hakibatu.
Liman hadhi al-hakibatu.
It will be hazihi or haza.
Hadhihi, because it's feminine. Al-hakibatu has a ta marbuta at the end. So be liman hadhi al-hakibatu.
Liman hazihi al-hakibatu.
Yep.
Hazihil hakibatu al-mudarrisu.
Lil mudarrisi. So you add li means for. So
yes,
when li comes as a preposition and the noun which comes after it, it gets a kasra, a zir. Lil mudarrisi.
Hazihil hakibatu lil mudarrisi.
Correct. Next one.
Liman hazal kursi.
Yep.
Hazal kursi li ammari.
Li amarin.
Li ammarin. For whom is this chair? This chair belongs to Ammar.
Correct.
Liman hazal dajjaj.
No, this is a rooster. Liman hadha diku.
Liman
hadha diku.
Liman hadha diku.
Yep.
Hazal diku bintul
Four. Add the word li.
Hazal dikun li bintul fallahin.
No, hadha diku li bintil fallahin.
Hazal diku li bintul fallahi.
Correct. Li bintil fallahi. Correct. Right. Let's bring someone else on the mic. Who's going to be next on the mic? Sister Batul, Shamim. Sister Shamim Radha. Sister Shamim Radha, are you there? Right.
Which one?
Yourself, Shamim. Bismillah.
Yeah, but which one? Which one?
Page number 8, 9, and 10. The word is watch.
Okay. Liman hazihi sa'atu.
Liman hadhihi sa'atu, correct?
Whose watch is this?
Yep.
Hazihi
hadhihi sa'atu.
Li mudiri.
When li comes, the noun.
Okay. Li ibni mudirin.
Li ibn al-mudiri. Excellent. Number 9.
Liman hazal baytu.
Liman hadha al-baytu.
Hazal baytu at-tabibi.
No, li. Lit-tabibi.
Lit-tabibi.
Correct.
Okay. Liman hazal mandilu. Hazal mandilu li-talibi.
MashaAllah. Very good.
Okay. Now this one, al-baytu. Al-baytu means at the house. Fil bayti, in the house. Min al-bayti, from the house. Il al-bayti, to the house.
Excellent.
The mustashfa. Mustashfa means the hospital.
Yep.
Fil mustashfa, in the hospital. Min al-mustashfa means from the hospital. Ila al-mustashfa, to the hospital.
Excellent.
America. The America. Fi America, in America. Min al-America, from America. Ila al-America, to the America. Almania, the Japan. في ألمانيا in
Almania is Germany. Almania is Germany.
Oh, sorry. Almania, Germany. في ألمانيا in the Germany. في ألمانيا from the Germany. إلى ألمانيا to the Germany.
Excellent. Excellent.
Okay.
Very good. Sister Batul Banu Dalla.
Okay, so
Sheikh, some guests are coming, so I'm leaving. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay.
okay, I have to just read this.
You need to read and write to the bottom exercise, yes.
هذا الطبيب من إنجلترا. This doctor is from England.
Correct.
ذهب حامد إلى فرنسا. Hamid went to France.
Correct.
محمود مريض. هو الآن في المستشفى. Mahmoud is sick. He now is at the hospital. ذهب عبد الله من ألمانيا إلى إنجلترا. Abdullah went from Germany to England.
Correct.
هذا الكتاب لعيسى. This book belongs to Isa. وذلك الكتاب لموسى. And that book belongs to Musa. هذا المهندس من أمريكا. This engineer is from America. Okay. هذا كتاب.
Excellent. Let me get someone else to read this page. Jazakallah, that was really good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Can I request next on the mic, Sister Zainab iPhone?
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Alaikum salam. Bismillah.
Which one?
On page. As-saburatu amama talibi. Page number 60.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. As-saburatu amama talibi. As-saburatu amama talibat. As-saburu. Blackboard is amama, from.
No, amama means in front.
Yeah, blackboard is in front of the student. وهي خلف المدرس, and it is behind the teacher.
Correct.
أين سيارة المدرس? Whose from where is the teacher's car?
But where is the teacher's car? Where is the teacher's car?
Where is the teacher's car? هي أمام المدرسة. It is in front of the school.
Correct.
أين بيت الإمام? Where is the Imam's daughter?
No. No. Aina Beit Imam. Where is the Imam's house?
Oh yeah, Beit is house. Aina Beitul Imami. Where is the Imam's house? Beitu Imami il Khalfi il Masjidi. Imam's house is Khalfi is behind the masjid. Aina Jalasa Hamidun. Aina Jalasa son. Where is the Hamid's son? Jalasa Khalfa Mahmudi. Jalasa Khalafa.
He sat behind.
His son is behind the Mahmud.
Correct.
ذهب عمار إلى المسجد. عمار إلى المسجد. Ammar left for the masjid. وجلس أمام وجلس أمام المحراب, and he is front of the mihrab.
Correct. Excellent.
What did she say about Jalasa?
Jalasa means Hamid sat. And where did Hamid sat? He sat behind Mahmud. Okay, that's it. Right, so this is lesson number 8 completed. Now I'm going to move on to lesson number 9. Now, lesson number 9 is all about adjectives. So those who attended my lesson yesterday on Arabic through the Quran, first lesson I gave, it was about adjectives. and how to make adjectives. So I'm going to ask someone to read the concept of adjectives from this book. So I'm going to ask Alishba.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Alishba, can you read? In this lesson, we learned the following. Go ahead.
The adjective in Arabic. The adjective in Arabic follows the noun it qualifies. Unlike in English, it comes after the noun. Example, a new house, baytun jadidun. In Arabic, the adjective is called na'at, na'atun, and the noun it qualifies is called
Man'ut.
man'ut. Man'ut. The adjective is in agreement with the noun in the following matters. Gender, the adjective of a masculine noun is masculine and that of a feminine noun is feminine. Example, waladun saghirun, a small boy. Bintun saghiratun, a small girl. Kitabun jadidun, a new book. Sayyaratun jadidatun, a new car. Being definite or indefinite. If the noun is definite, the adjective is also definite. And if the noun is indefinite, so also is the adjective. Example, Bilal is a new teacher. Bilalun mudarrisun jadidun. The new teacher is in the class. Al-mudarrisul jadidu fil fasli. Case, the adjective is in the same case as the man'ut. Example, this is a new house. Haza baytun jadidun. I am in a new house. Ana fi baytin jadidin. The new house is beautiful. Al-baytul jadidu jamilun. Who is in the new house? Man fil baytil jadidi. Adjectives ending in an have no tanween. Example, kasalan, lazy, jawan, hungry,
Hungry.
atshan, thirsty, ghadban, angry, malan, full.
Excellent. And the vocabulary?
Al-fakihatu, fruit. Al-usfuru, sparrow. Al-ta'iru, bird. Al-arabiyatu, Arabic. Al-lughatu, language. Sahlun, easy. Mujtahidun, hardworking. Shahirun, famous. Al-ingliziyatu, English language. Sa'abun, difficult. Al-Madinatu, city. Al-Qahiratu, Cairo. Al-Yawma, today. Limaza, why. Al-Kubu, cup.
Excellent. Sister Parveen Zahra, Assalamu alaikum. Can you read the part B, please?
In this part, an adjective qualifying a definite noun. Example, Ain al mudarrisu, where is the new teacher? Al new. Relative pronoun, allazi. It is referred to a human being. It is to be translated who, and it refers to an animal or thing which. Example, al-rajul allazi kharaja min al-masjidi al-ano tajirun shahirun. The man who went out of the mosque just now is a famous merchant. Al-bayt allazi amam al-masjida lil-imami. The house which is in front of the mosque belongs to the imam. Number 3. Note that when lay is used with a noun having al, the alif of al is omitted. Lil imami, al imamo. Lil mudarrisi, al mudarrisi, al mudarrisu. In the, with. The noun following it has I ending. Example, al mudarrisu in the. The teacher is with the headmaster. Al mudiro, al mudiri. Vocabulary. Al-Maktabu, library. Al-Madrasatu Saniviya, secondary school. Al-Waziro, minister. Al-Ana, now, just now. Hadun, sharp. Hunaka, there. As-Souk, market. Al-Mustawsafu, small hospital. Indonesia, Indonesia. Al-Mirwahatu, fan. Ashareo, street. Al-Kuwaito, Kuwait.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you ever so much for that. Let's read the lesson now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Who I'm going to ask? Praveen, as you're on the mic, Sister Zahra Ji. Zahra Ji, would you like to come on the mic? Well, share mic's not working. Sister Praveen Zahra, come on the mic with me. I'm going to read and I'm going to read the question and you answer the question. Man hadha rajulu. So man hadha rajulu means who is this man? So because after hadha, the word ar-rajulu has alif lam, you will translate it, who is this, not this is the man, but who is this man? Answer is?
Abbasun, he is Abbas.
Your mic's not that clear.
Huwa Abbasun, he is Abbas.
So huwa Abbasun is subject and predicate, mubtada and khabar. Okay? So whenever it's a nominal sentence and when there is between two nouns, it's subject and predicate. Now, then I say Abbasun tajirun. So here, Abbasun tajirun. What's happening here?
Adjective.
The word excellent. Tajirun is coming as an adjective for Abbas. So Abbasun tajirun, it will be translated as Abbas, merchant Abbas. So no, my mistake. No, my mistake. Here, Abbasun tajirun is not adjective, it's khabar. Abbas is a merchant, okay? Abbas is a merchant. Why here it's an adjective? I'll tell you the reason. It's not an adjective, it's a khabar, because the word Abbas is definite. It's a name of an individual, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now, because it's a name of individual, it's a proper noun. So if tajir needs to come as an adjective for Abbas, it should come with alif lam. Abbasun at-tajiru. The merchant Abbas. Because tajir is indefinite noun. You cannot have an indefinite as an adjective for a proper noun. So the proper noun's adjective needs to come with alif lam. Is that clear, Zara?
Yeah, so can it be a case like if noun doesn't have alif lam and the adjective can have alif lam?
Yes, that's fine. So yeah, so then it will be an adjective. So if the noun comes without alif lam, because nouns are proper, so names of individuals are treated as proper nouns, and because they're treated as proper nouns, the adjective needs to come with alif lam for it to be an adjective. Okay. Now over here now, Abbasun tajirun ghaniyun. Now you see the word ghaniyun coming after tajir, correct?
Adjective now.
Now here, ghaniyun is an adjective for the tajir. What type of merchant is he? Is he a rich merchant or a poor merchant? He is a rich merchant. So we will translate Abbas is a rich merchant. So here, the khabar, Abbas is the subject, tajirun is the khabar, and ghaniyun is the adjective for the khabar, which explains Abbas is a rich merchant. So you see the word is being used between the two words. Is that clear, Sister Zahra?
Yes.
Next one. Hamidun mudarrisun. How would you translate that?
Hamid is a teacher.
Hamid is a teacher, correct. Then we have Hamidun mudarrisun. What type of teacher is he? Is he old or new?
Yeah. Hamid
New. Exactly. So Hamidun mudarrisun jadidun. Hamid is a? Excellent. Continue.
Ma haza, what is this? Haza tuffahun. This is apple.
Mm-hmm.
At-tuffahu fakihatun lazizatun. This
No, the apple is
tasty.
the delicious fruit. The word at-tufahu fakihatun. The word fakihatun means fruit. What type of fruit? Lazizatun, delicious. So you translate the apple is a delicious fruit. So you can see fakihatun with a ta marbuta because it's the noun. Lazizatun has the adjective and has a ta marbuta. Fakihatun comes with dhamma tanween. Lazizatun comes with dhamma tanween. Fakiyatun is singular. Ladhidatun is coming singular. Does that help?
Yes.
Next one. Ma dhalika. What is?
What is that?
Yep.
Dhalika usfurun. That is sparrow.
That is a sparrow, correct.
Al usfuru ta'irun sagirun. This sparrow, the ta'irun is a bird.
The sparrow is a small. So translate. When you translate the khabar, you translate the adjective for the predicates first, and then the actual adjective, so the predicate itself. So al-usfuru is the subject. Saghirun is an adjective for the bird. So it's explaining what type of bird it is. So you say that a sparrow is a small
bird.
Exactly.
Okay. Al-Arabiyatu Logatun Sahalatun. Arabic is an easy language.
Arabic is an easy language. Excellent. Is this clear for everyone? Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Let's finish off. Then we have so here, next one's a really important one. Al-Arabiyatu Lughatun. If we have now, as I mentioned to yourself, when a noun comes and is not name a name of an individual, just a noun, and it's a proper noun with alif lam, and it comes in the beginning of a sentence and it's a subject, then we need to look at when we are making the khabar, the predicate. The khabar is the news which we are giving about the mubtada. We need to take consideration and look whether the noun is masculine or feminine. So the al-arabiyatu, is it masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
So the khabar is also going to come feminine. So lughatun. And jamilatun is an adjective for the language. Is it an ugly language, beautiful language, difficult language? It's saying a beautiful language. So al-arabiyatu is the mubtada, lughatun is the khabar, jamilatun is the sifa. And you would translate it in English. The Arabic is
a beautiful language.
Exactly. Continue, Zahra.
Ammarun talibun mujtahidun wa mahmudun talibun kaslano. Ammar is a hardworking student, and Mahmud is
new student. Jadidun means a new.
Oh, it's Kaslan.
Kaslan means lazy. Mahmud is a lazy student.
Okay. So Ammar is a hardworking student and Mahmud is a lazy student.
Correct.
Man anta, who is she?
Who are you?
Who are you? Ana talibun, I am student.
Correct. Then?
Anta talibun jadidun, are you a new student?
No, anta, are you?
Are you a new student?
Correct.
Naam, ana talibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student.
Yes, I am a new student. Excellent. Now, the exercise I'm not going to do today. I want you to do the exercise at home. Please send this exercise across because it's a really important exercise. And then inshallah, next week, we'll do the last lesson of the book and inshallah finish the book. Any questions? Okay. So inshallah,
can you send the exercise to be done in the chat?
Yes, I'll send it in the chat as well. I'm just sending the link of the class. So if someone could kindly copy it and post it in the group, that'd be much appreciated as well, inshallah. Okay, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal farajahum. So inshallah, we will have one more class next week and finish the book off, and then we will continue with the next book, inshallah. And I'll give you an exam. So prepare yourself for an exam. I'll give you an exam probably the next week after that, so that I can see how everyone is doing. And then we will start book number 2, inshallah. Okay? Any questions? No? Okay. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa